Let's be honest, when we look at very successful people, we sometimes can feel inferior. Until this one day when you have a lot of motivation and then you decide to change your life. And you start reading, you go to the gym, you start eating healthy, you meditate every morning. And you can keep this up for 1 week, maybe 2, maybe a little bit longer if you have crazy willpower. But eventually this approach is most likely going to fail. Because it is just too much too soon. And then you're obviously frustrated and tell yourself something like, I guess I'm just not a disciplined person. And that's just not true, because you just overwhelmed yourself. And to be honest, even if it was true, you don't have to be a disciplined person to begin with. This is the great thing, you just need a few of the right habits. And this is where discipline comes into play. Because to establish a new habit, yes, at first you need a lot of discipline. But over time you will need much less discipline to keep the habit up. And that's all the secret. To establish one healthy habit at a time. The research indicates that forming a new habit takes from 18 to 254 days. And for most people, 66 days seems to be the sweet spot, in which you don't really need any discipline anymore to keep up that habit. And when you manage to integrate one habit, then you focus on the next. That's how successful people got to where they are. They integrated one healthy habit at a time.